Michael is moving here from Florida. Michael has 6 children, and they all live all over the country. So he wanted to find a place where he could settle down, where the kids could easily all get to be together. Michael is bringing his son McLean to look at houses with him. He is the youngest of his 6 children, and he's such a sweet guy.
Bring it in. It's all right. Bring it in. McLean is on the spectrum of autism, and when McLean was little, we were told that McLean was not going to speak. We obviously didn't buy into that, and we started McLean early intervention programs. 3.5, he started to speak. So McLean evolved into this gentle soul, caring, loving, is as pure a human being as you could be.
Oh my gosh.
You got one, dude. Yeah, you got a fish.
Michael wants like a classically Southern house with a great front porch, something historic with lots of character. And it needs to be big enough to accommodate his entire family when they're all here.
I want everybody to have a meeting place where we can spend holidays and really gather together and experience those family moments.
He's wanting to spend between $250,000 and $300,000. Let's take a look at the Sumrall house.
Absolutely gorgeous. Looks very, very big.
The Sumrall house is huge. It's 4,000 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's listed for $75,000.
She looks a little tired, obviously, but...
Absolutely. It's in pretty rough shape.
But we could make it feel so fresh and so alive.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's nice.
Look at that.
Yeah.
You like
Very
it?
great.
I love that.
He loves blue and white. Every single inspiration picture he has shown me, every room is just blue and white. Just blue and white.
Now come on in, check this out.
Big, nice high ceiling.
A little old, but it looks nice, like very old-fashioned.
Typical of Southern architecture, this is kind of what you expect to see, this grand entry into the house.
Yeah.
We feel like it could be more grand and a little bit more appropriate for the architecture of this house. I think we delete this closet that was added a couple decades ago to give you even more space, reroute the HVAC so that soffit is no longer there, get a new chandelier in the room, something that works and that feels a little brighter and fresher. The railing on the staircase is too low, so we'll replace that and add a really pretty runner going up the stairs. Refinish the floors, new paint, and you've got a very welcoming Southern grand entry.
But then there's a really big dining room, and then we've got big plans for the kitchen.
We get rid of everything you see here. Put the oven and hood vent back where it was. You keep a sink under the windows.
Okay.
We would want to replace the floors in here with heart pine to match the rest of the house. And we opened up a bigger cased opening between the kitchen and the dining room. And then we could recess the refrigerator into the wall here where we have this little closet right now and add new cabinetry on that big empty wall down there at that end. Give you a buffet space to serve food, and then build in banquette seating so you have another big breakfast room over here in addition to the dining room. So if you've got a big family, you need to have big spaces where they can all eat together.
Absolutely.
We wouldn't touch the second floor. The main floor renovations would be about $175,000. So you'd be all in at $250,000.
No problem, right? I'm gonna borrow from him.
You've got the money, right? We do have another house we want to show you that is a little bit closer to being finished.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. But we'll see what you think.
Okay.
Let's talk about the Harper house.
Wow.
Wow.
It's 2,700 square feet, and it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. It was built in 1906. It's listed for $157,000. So more expensive, but again, it doesn't need as much work.
I have to say, I like the lion statues in the front.
You
Do
like
you?
them?
Yeah, I do. I think lions are very cool.
McLean, do you know who else had lions at his house?
Who?
Elvis Presley.
Ooh.
The man. For you to love it, I think we completely changed the color world.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's awesome.
Wow.
It's the exact color of your shirt.
Yeah.
Come on in. A little bit nicer in here.
Yeah. Well, there's air conditioning, first of all. But also it's maybe surprising and not what you think you would see because of all this like 70s aftermarket, the built-ins, the beams, the fans. If you don't like the beams, we lose the beams. Delete that built-in on the end of the room from the 70s and give you a cased opening between the kitchen and the living room. Brighten things up with the color palette, paint everything. Over here, I think it would make a lot of sense to open up French doors to that porch because then you would get the most use of it. And instead of these vinyl floors, we would pull this up and refinish the original floors.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah, and just lighten up. to be your color palette.
Let's go look at the kitchen then.
All right. So think about this kitchen through the lens of this wall being gone, because this is now a big cased opening. And we lose this peninsula here, we add an island here, and we keep your oven and hood vent here on this focal wall. Keep a sink under this window, keep the fridge over here, but open up a bigger cased opening between the kitchen and this little breakfast room here. And freshen up the flooring, the color, the lighting.
That'll be a big difference.
I can't wait to hear what you think about the dining room.
They're really gonna love this room.
I think you will. What do you think about it?
This is, wow.
Okay, well, here's what I think. If you can imagine this room without the vinyl flooring and the original wood floors, and instead of the shrimp pink on the walls, we have a wallpaper that incorporates some of the blues and the whites that you love. And, you know, given this built-in a freshen up, it could be a great dining room.
Sounds like a plan.
All the renovations would come in at $103,000. So we estimate this house to be about $260,000.
McLean, what do you think? You like it?
I don't like it. I love it.
You love it. I pulled McLean aside and I said, hey, what do you think about the house compared to the other house? And McLean said, Dad, I absolutely love the yellow house with the lions. We had a couple more conversations, and as we went through, we decided we needn't look any further. We're going with this house.
I wish I could make decisions like that.
You don't wanna sleep on it? Or?
No,
This is it.
no.
You gotta call a realtor.
Yeah,
You gotta sign
absolutely.
papers. This is
You
amazing.
speak for the siblings.
Yes, I do. I
Okay.
think that they're gonna like it.
This is exciting.
This is a lot.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
thank you.
All right. At the end of the day, and for them to just say, we love this house, this is the one.
We need to get started.
So where are we putting the lions?
They don't have to go home, but they can't stay here.
You know what, Erin? We get to put them in the library and then you could read between the lines.
Do you want to help me do the dog gates?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, Chris and I had to walk the line.
Not going any further. Whew, where are you going?
Are we stepping over the line now?
You crossed the line.
Have we crossed the lines? We gone a little too far?
Glad we're taking this wall out. Then we don't have to fix all this.
The wall between the kitchen and the living room, gotta go.
He really likes open concept floor plans. With 6 kids, that's a huge family. You need room. This is looking good.
It is wide open.
No, it like makes it like a totally different house.
I mean, all the pictures that he sent of houses he's inspired by and that he loves feel like these wide open, airy beach houses almost.
Yeah.
And I think we've got it going on.
Losing the beams is the biggest change to me.
Makes it feel like the room can breathe better. Hi, can I squeeze through? Sorry, I don't know.
That's okay.
When I'm looking at wallpaper samples for this room. Do y'all have any painter's tape? Have you seen any?
I haven't seen any.
Could y'all pause for just a second and help me with something? Can you hold the one in the middle? Y'all are being real good sports here. Tony and Dylan were my design assistants today.
Did they have any input?
Yes, they did. What do y'all like one more than another?
Yeah, I like the puppies.
I feel like the puppies might be a little too neutral. Tony, I'm sorry.
Like Tony, I feel like he's probably a little bit of a softie, but also I would not want to challenge Tony.
No way, man.
Are you okay?
Yo, I ain't.
Yep, watch them fingers.
Watch them fingies.
See with this one.
Dang, all right, nice work.
Caitlin, thank you for agreeing to do this for me. I have Caitlin Bryant work out a great portrait project I'm doing for Michael's house. He loves this modern, sort of contemporary look, and his kids are his world. So I'm gonna try to find a way to take the colors he loves, the style that he loves, and the subject matter that he loves more than anything, and make it a piece of art. I've never done a sketch with a marker. I go with like the lightest pencil mark.
stakes.
It really is. You're in there. I think the reason Mike likes light blue and white is the way it makes you feel. Like when you walk in, if clean ocean air had a feeling in a house, this is it.
This is the Mawinnie house.
Oh,
my God.
oh man.
You like it?
That's amazing.
No, I love it.
I love you, Dad.
Oh. Am I allowed to give hugs?
You can.
I want one too.
You get one, brother.
Well, McLean, do you see the thing I left for you on the porch?
Lion.
Yes.
The lion,
The
yeah.
lion is there for you.
Who's that? Yeah.
We kept the line, we cleaned it up and painted it.
That is unbelievable. Look at that front door. Oh,
It's amazing.
my God.
So the front door and the windows on the sun porch were all custom built for your house.
Unbelievable.
And the house got painted, all new landscaping.
Color is awesome, beautiful. It's so much nicer than what it was.
All right, the inside's incredible. Lead the way.
Oh, I can't wait.
of
Can't
course.
wait. Oh,
Oh my God. Wow. This is amazing.
wow, unbelievable. This isn't even the same house.
Oh my God.
Look at these doors.
Yes, that was
Gorgeous.
a big window.
With the
that matched
transom
that
up
one.
above, which is amazing.
This is amazing.
That is so cool.
This is
so
awesome.
cool.
This is awesome.
And
Color of
bright
it.
blue.
It's coastal, but it's
we wanted it to be coastal, but also still remember its craftsman roots. And so the doors and the natural wood moments in the house are the nod to the house's craftsman architecture. And then also when we opened up that big opening between kitchen and living room, we actually didn't get rid of all those built-ins.
No, we did not. That's it right there.
Are you serious?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that is so cool.
This is awesome.
So did you put that back together?
I
You
did.
took it
We
apart?
took it to the shop, we took it
man, yeah.
apart, and we rebuilt it.
You're the
But
man.
I got you a hidden drawer here.
The James Bond drawer. I like that. That is so cool. I'm blown away. I had no conception of what this could look like.
Everything about this house makes it feel like we have gone to the beach.
Oh,
and I think the kitchen
nice.
may be the most like coastal of all.
Wow.
Yo, this is amazing.
Wow.
This
My
is
God,
awesome.
Look at this island.
Oh
This is
my
amazing.
gosh.
Think everybody will fit around
Amazing.
this?
The whole
This is
family will
amazing.
be here.
Oh my God.
I love this hood. Look at this. Hood is insane.
You know,
Oh.
that's really awesome.
What a great looking
This is
stove.
a beautiful stove.
What do you think, McLean? What do you want to cook?
I would like to cook pasta and maybe a family dinner.
That's the thing is when you look out here, we wanted to make sure this house was built for a big family.
Everybody's tied in together, which I love.
It's a unity. It's called family.
Yes.
it.
I want to show you something special in the breakfast room.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Man. Everybody's here, but everybody's not here, buddy.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Caitlin Bryant painted that for you. She does modern portraiture like this, but this is the first time she's ever done 6 portraits on one canvas.
That's unbelievable.
All right, so who is who?
Mara, who's that?
Me?
Montana, Maui, Miranda, and Mikey.
Yeah.
McLean. Who's the best looking one up there?
All of them.
All of them.
Dang, good answer. It's tough when everybody's all over the country. So that portrait in the breakfast room is a small thing. It's not the same as having them all here, but it is a great reminder that they're never far away.
Everything is just unique unto its. I can't believe this kitchenette bar area. I've got more cabinet space than I know what to do
I know,
with.
so much storage. The dining room, I think, is my favorite room.
Okay. Oh my God.
No more shrimpy pink.
Holy smokes.
This is amazing.
Bang. Look at the wallpaper.
It is beautiful
amazing.
and it's very good. I think it's
Wow.
awesome.
What a house. Sorry.
What a house.
This is a house.
This is fantastic.
Fantastic. Where'd that come from?
I always
Where'd
say it
that
like
come
that.
from?
I like that
Okay.
accent.
Right.
I want to see the sun porch. So you
Okay,
gotta
let's
sit
go.
out here.
Wow.
Wow.
Holy smokes. Look at this.
This is awesome.
Is it blue enough for you?
It's phenomenal blue. The accents.
Is it the right blue?
It's the right blue. All of it. I couldn't have asked for more. It's unbelievable.
Well, you got the Harper house for $157,000. The renovation was $103,000. So all in $260,000, which is pretty great for this house.
Absolutely.
However, there is one last thing that has to be done to this house. You gotta name the lion.
We were discussing that, and what's her name?
Elvis.
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 Good choice.